Okay, so we stopped at this gas station on our way to San Antonio, Texas.
How'd you get in front of me, bro?
He's very angry. And there is, my guess, a very old Carrier. It is a Carrier Tech2000. I don't know how old it is. So. Oh, there's the data, but I can't see the data sheet. And here are two Luxaires. I think those are Luxaire. Yeah, those are Luxaires. See the logo. Obviously, those are made by York, so those may not be the best units. I don't know how old those are. They're a little rusty, but they're in pretty good shape, so I'd say fairly new for those. That one I'd say is probably from the 90s, maybe 1995. And then there's more over there. I don't want to get into see, oh crap, we're about to back out. There's a good look at those. See all of those that I'm gonna try and get a good look at, but yeah, those are Luxaires. You can see the logo is faded, but half faded. Okay, so, and you can see a bunch more. There's a refrigerator up there. Hey, TM Brandish, would you mind, like, do you think you can pick me up so I can get a good look at those?
No, but I can see there's a lamp.
That's an Air
There's
Ease.
a Luxaire on the end.
Yeah, that's a Luxaire. There's an Air Ease, that's a refrigerator component, and those two, there's a York Latitude and there's a York LX series. Oh yeah, that's a Luxaire. Never mind. I thought that was a York LX series. That's a York Latitude, or I guess it could be a Luxaire, I don't know.
By the looks of it, and looks at the other ones over there, I'd say it's a Luxaire too.
Yeah, you're probably right.
They look about the same age.
Yeah, that one's probably the same age as those, and then, that Lux, those two are newer, so is that one. But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna get some pictures. This will be a pretty long video. This has been a 2014 Andrew B. Dish production.